take a look at flossing. Flossing is very important as it cleans in between your teeth, and this is an area that your toothbrush tends to miss, which means leaving plaque behind, which is not good news for your teeth or gums as it will cause irritation. If you are using traditional tape floss, tear a 30cm piece, wrap it around your middle fingers, leaving your thumb and index fingers free, like so. This will allow you to move the floss with ease. Place the floss in between the teeth. Ensure it goes all the way below the gum line. The floss will disappear. Wrap the floss in a C shape around the tooth and come up and down 3 times. Come across, do the same with the tooth next door, up and down 3 times. Bring the floss out and continue until you have done all of the teeth. You can also use a product called Floss Picks, which can be slightly easier than using the long tape floss. It will be exactly the same technique, but you will only need to use one hand as the floss is already taut on a piece of plastic holder. The floss picks can be reused, so you can rinse those and use them a few days. However, with the traditional tape floss, it's advisable to throw this away once you have finished using it. Ensure you floss once a day.